Hello, my name is Fiona, and I'm a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the Elementary Education Reading and Language Arts subtest? Praxis 5002 is a subtest for the Praxis 5001 Elementary Education Multiple Subjects exam. This problem set covers the subtopic of writing, speaking, and listening. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to encounter on the exam. Let's jump in. Question number 1. A speaker is preparing a presentation for a group of doctors from Japan. In the planning of their presentation, the speaker researches Japanese culture. Which of the following reasons is most likely behind the speaker's research? The speaker wants to include phrases in Japanese in their presentation. The speaker wants to be aware of cultural norms to create an effective presentation. The speaker wants to reference Japanese historical events in their presentation. Or the speaker wants to familiarize themselves with a variety of audiences. Including phrases in Japanese is more about language than culture, and referencing historical events is specific and not directly related to cultural norms. The speaker wants to familiarize themselves with a variety of audiences is too broad, so we can eliminate those three. The correct answer is the speaker wants to be aware of cultural norms to create an effective presentation, as understanding cultural norms is crucial for effective communication and presentation. Question number 2. Which of the following answer choices describes the appropriate grade level that an emergent writer would be at if their writing includes beginning and ending consonants and predominantly appropriate word spacing? At the end of grade 1, at the beginning of preschool, at the beginning of grade 2, or at the end of kindergarten. Beginning preschool is far too early for such writing skills, so we can cross that out. By the beginning of second grade, students typically have more advanced writing skills than this, so we can also eliminate that. At the end of grade 1 is also incorrect, as students at this level usually exhibit more developed writing skills. The correct answer, therefore, is the end of kindergarten, as this is when students typically show emergent writing skills that include beginning and ending consonants and predominantly appropriate word spacing. Question number 3. When using visual aids during an oral presentation, it is most important for a speaker to not speak with their back to their audience, read directly from the visual aid, read every detail from the visual aid, or provide the visual aid in paper form. Reading directly or every detail from the visual aid can disengage the audience. Similarly, provide the visual aid in paper form is not the most critical aspect during the presentation, so we can cross all of those out. In this case, the correct answer is not speak with their back to their audience, as maintaining engagement and connection with the audience is crucial. Question number 4. Which of the following examples shows a clear and coherent sentence for an elementary student's writing? Susan went to the pet store and bought food for her hamster, cat, and dog. Susan went to the pet store and walked around and looked at everything and bought food for her hamster, cat, and dog. Susan had went to the pet store and bought food for her hamster, cat, and dog. Or, Susan went to the pet store and bought food for her hamster, cat, and dog. There are punctuation errors in the first sentence. We're missing commas after hamster and cat, so that is incorrect. The second sentence is far too lengthy and it rambles, so that is incorrect. The third option is also incorrect because the past participle of to go is gone, not went. The correct answer is Susan went to the pet store and bought food for her hamster, cat, and dog because it is clear, concise, and grammatically correct. I hope I was able to clarify the types of questions you will find on the subtopic of writing, speaking, and listening for the Praxis 5002 exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Bye for now.